Say hi to the camera.
We're here.
What's up? You okay?
I'm having fun.
I know.
What do I do?
What do you mean? Go around? Why you keep on coming down like that though? Do you not know how to turn? Huh?
What do you mean?
Do you not know how to go on your toe edge?
No.
Well, you should try it now because the snow's very nice. So it won't hurt.
I got stuck.
You good? You tired?
Yeah.
I know. Because you've been coming down like that.
Why?
Your quads must be burning.
How do I not do that?
You have to turn.
Turn?
Yeah.
Like how?
You gotta go S, turn.
Why?
Because you're not constantly on your quads.
I should turn?
Wait, where is he? Oh fuck, you've been waiting here entire time?
Yeah.
Dude, you were waiting for like 10 minutes.
It's okay.
Dude, I'm sorry. I got stuck twice.
Okay.
What happened?
You okay? Huh? Yeah, the reason why you fell there,
Yeah.
I don't know if you noticed, but your board was like this and you're going down like this. So you want to keep it as straight as possible.
Okay.
You okay though?
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
Yeah.
No. Lean forward, bend your knees, and lean into the binding. No, you're... No, you're... Yeah. Lean into it, bend your knees, bend your knees, bend your knees. More. Yeah. Like forward. No, you... Why do you lean backwards? No, it's not. Falling forward is less scary.
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
Okay, well. What are you doing?
I can't move.
Turn the other way. Yeah, like that. It's easier.
I'm not moving.
See, you didn't get enough. You know why you fell that time? Because you didn't get enough speed. Get some more speed. You need speed to turn. Also, you're riding switch. There you go. When you get some, why you didn't lean back when you're in heel edge?
You can say don't lean back.
When you're on your heel, you need to lean back.
Why?
Cause you're gonna catch an edge like that. Huh? Yeah.